this video, I'm going to explain about the array commands. Okay, so that is called rectangular array. Okay, now create any object, like you can take the circle, a small circle, or you can take any object. You can take any, like we'll go for polygon or a rectangular, we'll draw, right? We have two objects here, right? I want to create for the array of both objects. So first, we'll make for a circle. See, the object can be anything. It can be any object or anything, any shape. Okay. Now we'll take this is for just for to understand. Okay. Here is the object is circle. Now use the comments because we started with understanding with the first array rect. Okay. So this indicates that it is a rectangular array. Now enter there. Then select the object which you want to make the array. Okay. We have selected. Then make right click. Then see here, we got 3 rows and 4 columns. So this has been created based on the our previous input. Okay, now if you want to change it, here is the option count. Okay, so you can just enter count. See, as I told that the number of columns are 4 here. Okay, number of columns are 4. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you want, you can change. You can make it to 5. See, it changed. Now, say again, after entering the columns, it is in for number of rows. Earlier it was 3. Now you can change to 6. Okay, we enter 6. Now the row becomes 6. Now you can check here. Okay, so number of rows are 6. And again, you'll understand what are these all, right? So it is an associative. Associative means it will take the data from the previous, or if you say yes, then it will proceed. And here, from this point, associate, it will help you. Okay, it will change the data. If you want to move from here to here, from the your this point, or if you want to change again, it can specify the distance from column to column. Okay, these are the associate options. Again, you can change rows also. Okay, if you want to specify the distance, for example, I will enter 150 each. Okay, or again, you want to change, or like we'll say 1000, just enter. Okay, now it is been at a distance of 1000 from center to center. Okay, again, if you want to change the like distance of the row, okay, from here to here. Now again say 1200. We'll enter 1200, then it will be at a distance of 1200 and horizontal it is 1000. Okay, like that with the help of these arrowheads you can customize. Now from the base point, okay, from the base point, for example, if you want to take this as base point where it can make the move, right? If you want to select here, wherever you want, it will be just moving, right? So that type you can use. Now count, which are already shown, and spacing. Okay. So now what is the distance from between the columns? Okay, as already I have made input, 1000 I have given. Again, if you want, you can change to 800. Okay, enter. It will change. Now for the rows, again you can make 700. It is changed. Okay, so like that for a rectangular array, it will be used in multi areas where whenever there is an application of this, just use it and take the more knowledge. Okay. And thank you for watching. Please do subscribe because from now onwards we are studying about the different commands that can be used in the AutoCADs. Okay. Thank you.